You won't believe what else bar soap can do. Most people think of bar soap as nothing more than a bathroom staple, something you grab for a quick wash and move on. But that humble little block has far more tricks up its sleeve than just cleaning your body or hands. In fact, bar soap is one of those old-fashioned items that quietly solves a dozen everyday problems if you know how to use it. So, let's talk about all the clever ways you can put it to work around your home. Number 1. Smooth out sticky drawers and stubborn sliding doors. It's frustrating when a drawer refuses to open without a fight, or a sliding door grinds along its track. Instead of forcing it and risking damage, grab a simple bar of soap. Rub it along the edges of the drawer or into the grooves of the sliding door track. The thin film left behind acts as a lubricant, helping wood and metal glide past each other with ease. You'll notice the difference immediately. And best of all, it's a quick, inexpensive solution that doesn't require special tools or sprays. Number 2, add lasting freshness to small spaces. Soap can also double as a natural air freshener. Simply unwrap a few bars and tuck them into drawers and shelves for a delightful fragrance. To prevent a mess, you can wrap them in a scrap of fabric, like an old washcloth. The same trick works in cars, gym bags, and even inside shoes or boots that need a little freshening up. It's a low-effort way to keep musty odors at bay. Number 3, make DIY projects and furniture assembly a breeze. If you've ever tried driving a screw into wood, only to struggle with resistance, a bar of soap can make the process far easier. Rub the soap over the screw threads before drilling. The coating helps it sink in smoothly without splitting the wood. In a workshop setting, soap can also serve as a handy marking tool. Use it to draw a cutting line on wood or metal. It wipes off easily once you're done. And here's another bonus. Coat the teeth of a handsaw with soap, and you'll find the blade slices through material much more smoothly, reducing strain on your arm. Number 4, protect glass from paint splatters. Prepping to paint around windows or mirrors, instead of painstakingly taping every edge, rub a bar of soap directly onto the glass where it meets the trim. If you accidentally get paint on the glass, it won't stick well to the soapy layer. A quick wipe with a damp cloth after you finish painting will leave the surface spotless. This little hack saves both time and frustration. Plus, you won't waste rolls of painter's tape on projects that only take a few minutes. Number 5, stop annoying squeaks. From creaky floorboards to noisy door hinges, squeaks can make a house sound older than it is. Fortunately, a bar of soap can work wonders as a silent fix. Rub it directly onto the edges of a squeaky floorboard or across the hinge pins of a door. The soap acts as a lubricant and helps reduce the friction that causes the sound. If the squeak returns after a while, just reapply. It's quick, effective, and spares you the trouble of pulling out heavy-duty tools. Number 6, shield your nails from messy jobs. Gardening and car repairs are tough on hands, and no matter how carefully you work, dirt and grease tend to find their way under your fingernails. A simple trick is to scrape your nails across a bar of soap before you get started. The soap fills the gaps under your nails and creates a temporary barrier that keeps grime from settling in. When you're done, just wash your hands. The soap barrier rinses away, taking the dirt with it. Number 7, keep critters out of your garden. If deer or rabbits think your shrubs are part of their buffet, bar soap can help deter them. Strongly scented varieties, such as Irish Spring, work best. You can hang a bar from a branch by slipping it into a mesh bag or tying it up in an old pair of pantyhose. As the scent wafts through the air, animals tend to stay away. For extra protection, try grating some soap shavings directly around the base of plants. Number 8, free a stuck zipper. When a zipper won't budge, you don't necessarily need to replace the whole item. Just run a bar of soap along the teeth of the zipper. The waxy coating helps the slider glide more smoothly, fixing the problem in seconds. This works on jackets, boots, and even luggage zippers that have become stubborn from years of use. Number 9. Make sewing more enjoyable. Sewing projects can go more smoothly with the help of a soap bar. Use it in place of tailor's chalk to mark hems, seam lines, or fabric guides. The marks are visible enough to work with, but wash out easily. You can also create a functional pincushion by wrapping a bar of soap in a piece of fabric. Storing pins and needles this way keeps them sharp and allows them to glide effortlessly through fabric when you use them. It's practical and doubles as a neat little craft. Number 10. Turn bar soap into liquid soap. Why buy liquid soap when you can make your own for a fraction of the cost? Grate about 4 ounces of bar soap using a kitchen grater, then add it to 4 cups of boiling water. Stir until the shavings are completely dissolved. Let the mixture cool, and then pour it into a pump dispenser. You'll have a creamy, ready-to-use liquid soap in no time. Store the extra in a sealed container, give it a shake before use, and you've got a homemade solution that stretches your budget. I hope you enjoyed these clever bar soap hacks, and maybe even discovered a few you'll want to try out yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves practical tips as much as you do. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next batch of smart, everyday tricks. Thanks for watching.